Beyond the range of technical resources available at call, you may find that there are occasions when you need more active guidance, help or advice. Part of the problem is that sometimes you don't know what you don't know. You find out later, of course, when something hasn't turned out the way you envisaged. But it's always better to avoid pitfalls than to have to retrace your steps after you've encountered a problem. Particularly, you want to avoid the possibility of painting yourself into a corner. Unforeseen consequences of design choices and technical options that you may not be aware of until you encounter difficulties later in development or during the life cycle of your solution. For example, issues with scalability. When you're developing a solution, you often only have a small amount of test data and a few screens to work with. It won't always become clear to you how your solution is going to behave under load when thousands or perhaps tens of thousands of records accumulate. That's the kind of knowledge that you acquire with experience. So sometimes it's good to run your ideas by someone who's done it all before and who has the kind of experience that you're about to acquire. That's where some additional training options might be useful. These lessons are a start, of course, but you can also consider formal classes, some of which are offered directly by FileMaker Inc. or by authorised trainers. In addition, there are various forms of targeted or customised training and support, which may be an efficient way of solving a specific set of problems that are particular to what you're trying to do. And then, of course, there are a number of books available at a variety of levels and with a variety of different focuses in relation to all things FileMaker. Beyond that, you should consider the resource of independent developers. The world over, there are experts who are working at a high level, solving FileMaker problems and producing customised FileMaker databases for clients in just about every industry. Whilst you may be making good progress towards completing a project, you may find that there are components of your project which would benefit from the assistance of a professional working in the field. The kind of assistance that you might seek could include hands-on development work, where an independent developer takes your solution and adds some components or modules that you require, or it could be in the form of developer support, where you're provided with advice and assistance and problem solving for difficulties you may encounter. And of course, there's also the question of quality assurance, someone to look over your work and make comments or suggestions, bringing experience or another set of eyes to the work that you've been doing. If you're seeking support of that kind, you'll find it useful to pay a visit to the Consultants page, which you'll find under the Support category on the FileMaker Inc. website. From the FileMaker Consultants page, you'll be able to enter your regional location and search for consultants who have certifications, qualifications and experience, and who have the expertise to assist you in a variety of ways.